Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Today's video is about how to crochet this beautiful lace pattern. You can make it on your shirts, your sleeves and any other border area. Okay, let's start. We will firstly make spaces for this lace pattern. For making spaces, firstly attach thread, making one single crochet and make 3 chains and attach at next space with single crochet. I have made these spaces approximately half an inch. You can make longer or shorter spaces according to your thread. I have used 4 layers of thread because my cloth is little bit thicker. After making one space, make 3 chains and attach at next space with single crochet. If you feel trouble to insert crochet into your cloth, then you can use a sewing needle for making hole. Again make 3 chains and attach at next space with single crochet. Repeat this pattern at the end of first row. Here we have completed our first row and I have made spaces. At the start of second row, firstly make one single crochet at the first single crochet of first row and then make 5 double crochet at the first space. This is our first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and fourth, and this one fifth double crochet. After making 5 double crochet, make 3 chains and attach at the top of last 5th double crochet with slip stitch. This will make a pearl-like shape. After making this, again make 5 double crochet into same space. After making these 5 double crochet, now we should have 10 double crochet into same space, and we have made the pearl like shape at the middle of this petal. This will make a flower petal like shape, and so after this attach at next space with single crochet. Then again make 5 double crochet into the next space. After making 5 double crochet, we will make 3 chains and attach at the top of 5th double crochet with slip stitch. This will make a pearl like shape. And then we will again make 5 double crochet into same space. After completing 10 double crochet, it will make a petal like shape and attach at next space with single crochet, and again make 5 double crochet into next space, and again make the petal at next space. We will continuously making petals into each second space at the end of this row. Here our lace pattern has been completed. Viewers, if you like my project, then please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.